Easy to install. Plug in the WiZ Smart plug into any indoor outlet. Download the WiZ app and select Add a new device. Make sure you are connected to a 2.4 GHz network before adding. Smart Control. Use the app to invite other people to control your smart Wi-Fi lights such as guests and family members without being able to change light settings. Simply go to Settings, Members and Invite. You can also control from anywhere with the WiZ app or go hands-free with voice control. Smart Features. Set a scheduled bedtime for the kids. Program your lights to turn on or off to fit your routine or set vacation mode to automate your lights even when you are away from home to mimic presence. The bulbs also have schedules integrated into the bulb, so they will power up even if your Wi-Fi is down. Works with voice. Use Alexa, Siri Shortcuts, or Google Assistant to control your lights with voice. No hub is required, simply follow the pairing steps for your favorite voice assistant. Top reviews from the United States. Great for signs with hard-to-reach switches. I have a vintage sign on top of a bookshelf. It has a switch that I could only reach with a ladder. Now I can sit back and turn it on with the app on my phone. This is the third one I have, and they all work perfectly and do not interfere with each other at all. The Philips WiZ products work very well, and I have them throughout my home. They are super convenient and allow great lighting control.